This is my bike check. I'll be back in a second. Misa is back. Okay, so starting off, we've got some Animal Edwin grips with built-in bar ends, as you can see. Chicken fresh. Say what? Animal Edwins. Oh yeah. I mean, ODIs with built-in bar ends, because it's got the jagged stuff that makes your fingers vibrate. Obviously brake lever. Shadow brake cable. It's a nice, best cable in the world, in my opinion. Right here, cheeky, fresh. Got these. This is my signature with the people. The Ninja Turtle with the people. It's got my signature one-piece handlebars. Right there. Yeah. Got this clampy stem thing. This is my signature clamp stem. Plastic headset, Kangaroo converted to be exact. Sunday fun day. Sunday fun day forks. What are they called again? Director forks. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Shadow Conspiracy rim with 5 animal spokes because I'm top shit, man. Odyssey tires. Spin like a boss with these E-clat hubs front and back, so each wheels are the same with like the 5 animal fucking bar ends, bar ends, spokes and rims and tires and hubs are all the same on the front and back wheel. Yeah, it spins nice and good. How I like it. My signature Ninja Turtle frame. Yeah. It's my signature seat right out. It's like got a bolted on fucking seat tube. Yeah. It's like bolted on just there to the seat post. And we've got my signature seat clamp. Yep, right there. Yeah. Have it. We've got these animal plastic pedals because metal ones hurt your shins. Dr. Shinka. With the people cranks like a boss. 32 tooth sprocket. Nice. It's big but fucking easy to pedal. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, can't see because I got my signature Ninja Turtle hub and chain and sprocket guard. So it's like a chain guard and a hub guard built in. It's pretty cool. It's my signature one. Same back wheel as front, except obviously that's not a front hub, it's a back hub. Like, yep, it's right there. Got the E-clat brake pads and brake. C-brakes. And that's my bike. What's cool about this E-clat hub is that if you pedal backwards, the wheel spins backwards, and if you're riding along, you can't stop to pedal, because like if you stop pedaling, it will stop. So you got to consistently pedal, which is what I sort of like, because it makes you work out and shit. But sometimes it's just hard to ride. And I'm Leighton Reed. This is my bike check. Okay, this isn't my real bike check. My real bike check will be coming out on Christmas Day or a little bit after Christmas Day, or so I'm going to be making a bike check Christmas Day. I'm not sure when it will be uploaded though, so yeah, go check it out. Camel Rides BMX out. Subscribe. Camel Rides BMX.